Some build the best class. I built to change how freelancers work. Freelancy, I built it to solve a real problem. Something actually people use every day. Scan the QR code before we go deeper. Have you ever done freelance work before? It's a complete platform. Text, visuals, design, animation, interaction, all in one experience. A full environment where freelancers and the client connect. Let me tell you the difference between Freelancy and the other platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Upwork gives you jobs, Fiverr gives you gigs, but none of them help you get better at what you do. Freelancy changes that. It's not a marketplace. It's a learning platform too. Every skill you see on Freelancy, there's a course for it. Video editing, design, development, marketing. Every advanced skill like automation, coding, motion graphics, all inside or integrated into the platform. Getting a job is good, but getting better in what you do will help you in your career. Most people spend months create things nobody uses. Instead of build something meaningless, I built something useful. Freelancy, reimagining how freelancers work. Freelancy blends design, communication, development, and strategy. Not separate pieces, but one system. Every screen, every flow, every feature built with purpose. Text for clarity, visuals for impact, interaction for immersion. Quick question before we continue. What's the biggest problem freelancers face, in your opinion? All combined into smooth, complete experience. Freelancy is meant to be explored, clicked, navigate, not watched, not read. It's something you use. Everything began with clarity. The problem, the goal, the audience, the value. In design, details are everything. User flow, interface, structure. This is where Freelancy started to take the shape. The logo cost $200, UI design and screens $600, visual assets $400, all crafted to perfection. Ideas don't matter if you can't build them. Front-end and back-end development came in at $2,500, with every route and feature carefully coded. One last question before we explore the platform. Which side do you want to see, the freelance journey or the client journey? Q&A testing team costs $300. Every bug refined, every issue corrected before launch. Monitoring and updates $200. Continuous improvement keep Freelancy growing. A strong platform needs a strong team. Designer $600. Developer $2,500. Tester $300. Project manager $400. Totally $3,800. Different skills, one vision, clear roles, consistent communication, swift decisions. Proper planning keeps control. Freelancy was built with clear timeline, resources, and responsibility. You can't improve what you can't track. Timeline, tasks, workflow, quality, monitored and adjusted whenever needed. Great work isn't luck, it's discipline. Clear communication, smart decisions, adaptation, and teamwork. Freelancy isn't just another student project. It's a real platform, defined, designed, built, and launched with intention. A product shaped by clarity, discipline, and investment in talent. And if there's one message I want to leave you with, is this: your freelance career starts here.